the guy who just make me see world with a completely different perspective. This is the person who just जिन्होंने मुझे दिखाया कि I can wear my rosy glasses again, and he made me love Bollywood songs because मुझे हमेशा लगता था I used to love music but not this much. मुझे लगता था कि बहुत क्लीशे लगेगा ना, चीज़ी लगेगा ना बॉलीवुड के पुराने गाने सुनना, but I have started loving romantic music, and I'm just loving it. And he's so busy, he doesn't have time, but he is only on social media because of me, because he says whatever makes you feel good. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि when you've been through worse, something good comes up and you're like, how come? And if something is too good to be true, you're like, damn, ये कैसे हो सकता है?